Alright, so after having the runarounds with the Jeep Gladiator 2020, so these were aftermarket rocker arms, all 6 of them on the driver side. I kept on getting misfire, random misfire, P0300 and then bank too rich. Couldn't figure it out, and I was like, man, the only thing it could be is the rocker arms. Well, here's the OEM one. Paid $800 for 6 of them, and you could see the difference in just quality. And we'll measure them out. Here we go. Fully compressed. There it is. Was the aftermarket, and here is the OEM. Look at that. You see that play? Just that little bit right there is leaving the valves open, causing that misfire. So let's do it the other way around. Here's the aftermarket. I mean, here's OEM, sorry, OEM. Lock it in place. And here is aftermarket. Doesn't even fit in there. See that? Crazy. Buy quality parts, or else you get the runarounds.